Namaste, everyone, and welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of August, we'll be enjoying summer in India. Come along with us. This week, we'll be learning some greetings that are often used in India. So we'll start with Namaste. Can you say that? Namaste. Very good. And Namaste means I bow to you or I respect you in Hindi, one of the major languages in India. All right, and then after Namaste, we'll learn Assalamu alaikum. Can you say that? Assalamu alaikum. Very good. And that means peace be unto you in Arabic, which is another of the major languages spoken in India. All right, so we have Namaste and Assalamu alaikum. Salam alaikum. Very good. Let's turn those listening ears on and hear how it goes. Namaste, how are you? Namaste, how are you? Namaste, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. Great job, everyone. Now let's break that down and learn it together. Great, so we'll start with our greeting in Hindi. Namaste, how are you? And it sounds like this. Namaste, how are you? Can you sing that back to me? A one, a two, ek, do, teen. Namaste, how are you? Great job. Now remember, Namaste means I bow to you and is a greeting of respect. So that's why we bow our head and put our hands together like this. All right, the next part has the same words, but a little bit different melody. So it sounds like this, ready? Namaste, how are you? Namaste, how are you? Notice how it goes down in pitch a little bit. All right, will you sing that with me? A one, a two, ek, do, teen. Namaste, how are you? Namaste, how are you? Great job. Then we go back up to our original pitch. Namaste, how are you? Good. Can you sing all three of those with me? Ready? A one, a two, ek, do, teen. Namaste, how are you? Namaste, how are you? Namaste, how are you? Great job. Now there's just one line left, and it's our greeting in Arabic. Assalamu alaikum. Can you say that? Assalamu alaikum. Very good. Now when we sing it, it sounds like this. Ready? Assalamu alaikum. Great. And remember, in Arabic, that means peace be unto you. All right, can you sing that back to me? Ready? A one, a two, ek, do, teen. Assalamu alaikum. Great. Let's sing it all together, all the way from the top, a little slowly at first. Ready? A one, a two, ek, do, teen. Namaste, how are you? Namaste, how are you? Namaste, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. Great job, everyone. Shall we try it one more time? A little bit faster? All right, you can do it. Let's try it from the top. A one, a two, ek, do, teen. Namaste, how are you? Namaste, how are you? Namaste, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. Excellent job. Great job, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more Summer in India. Bye, everyone. Namaste.